Alright, so we will be using these ingredients: green mangoes or Indian mango, tomato, onions, cucumber, radish, and romaine lettuce. Alright, so to start off, we will be using chicken breast for our filling. Make sure to remove the chicken skin for a healthier food preparation. Continue cutting into strips all the chicken breast that is left, and make sure to remove the chicken skin. Once again, a reminder to everyone, if you want to eat healthy, make sure to get rid of the fats. I have used the chicken nuggets barbecue sauce. It's actually a leftover, so instead of throwing it out, I use it as a marinade for this chicken. And then later on, I'll be making a chicken teriyaki. I just add a dash of black pepper, fine black pepper, and then cover it later on. We will be marinating this for about 30 minutes at least, but it would be better if we can marinate it overnight so that the taste would actually simmer inside the parts of the chicken. Prepare the chicken to cook. Bring it to a boil for a medium to high temperature of heat. Add a little amount of water to soften the chicken meat. Set it aside for the meantime. Preheat the skillet so that we can prepare our tortillas. Medium heat would do just to preheat the tortillas that we will be using later on. Now it's time to do the vegetable salad. I have prepared the salad, cut it into squares, and the things that I have used are radish, onions, lettuce, mango, tomato, and cucumber. You see, it's really hard to feed people that are choosy when it comes to vegetables, so we have to innovate. Try to use different menus and different artistic presentations so that those picky eaters would be able to eat vegetables at least. And this is one of my favorite vegetable salad that everybody in the family actually enjoyed eating, and plus the fact that I'm happy because they're able to eat healthy foods, because most of them are really picky eaters, especially my brothers. So you just simply mix all together: onions, radish, mango, cucumber, and what else did I miss? I think that's it. Tomato. So just mix it all together. Add balsamic vinaigrette to taste. So just a minimal amount would do. Okay, we will be adding 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinaigrette, only to remove the smell of the onion and the taste of it, the unusual taste of it sometimes. So guys, I have a quick trivia for you. Mango is actually the national fruit of India. That's why we also call this type of mango that I use as Indian mango. It has different varieties from sour to sweet, crisp to soft, green to yellow, and red. Did you know that Guimaras Philippine sweet mango or Carabao mango holds a Guinness World Record for being so sweet, and the Queen Elizabeth herself loved the Guimaras mangoes. While we set aside the toppings and the tortilla wrap, we will be working on with this chicken that we cooked a while ago. Just put it in the skillet to semi-toast the parts of the chicken. Now we are going to cook the leftover sauce from our marinated chicken. All we need to do is bring it to a boil and add a little more of barbecue sauce to taste, since we added water a while ago when we cooked the chicken so that it would soften out. And we will also add 1 spoon of soy sauce, so because sometimes it becomes blunt in taste, so just add a few more soy sauce and then mix it all together and bring to a boil until it becomes thicker. So the chicken is semi-roasted now, and you'll just be waiting for the sauce to be a little smoother and thicker. And then bring everything in it, so that make sure to cover all the chicken with the sauce. We will be adding a little amount of sesame oil for a slightly nutty taste. It is actually excellent for stir-fry dishes. Place the chicken in a bowl, dash it with sesame seeds. Okay, so assembling time. Place your tortilla in a foil, then put some chicken teriyaki at the middle, and with your pre-prepared vegetables, top it up. Having this kind of salad actually limits you from using some dressings such as tomato sauce, or even lesser amount of mayonnaise that we use, because everything is already there. You can taste the tomatoes with the fresh tomatoes. And to balance, we also have cucumber as well as onions and the radish. So top it up with some romaine lettuce, and some cheese, cheesy gooey. Wow, that looks amazing. Now, all we need to do is just fold it, cover it with aluminum foil, and serve later on. You can actually preheat that using a microwave in a medium-high heat for just a minute. And you're good to go. A best snack to prepare for your work, for your homeschooling, so you won't get hungry And last but not the least is the nachos. This is actually my favorite chips because it's a combined cheese and onion flavor, and it really tastes good with the vegetables that we have made a while ago. So all the leftovers that we prepared, the vegetable salad we'll place on top of it, including the lettuce, the romaine lettuce with cheese on top, except for the meat, of course. I'm not going to use any meat anymore, the chicken meat. So this is merely vegetables, cheese, and mayonnaise. No tomato sauce as well, or ketchup. I don't like to use that in nachos. So just cheese, cheese, cheese. Wow, look at that. So yummy. Let's taste test, everybody. Tastes good. Now this one. Let's try. Tastes really good. And that was an amazing meal. If you are new to our channel, please don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and hit the bell so that you'll get notified when there's new videos. Until then,